right, that was just my frozen raw shrimp. Now I'm gonna grab some fresh asparagus and we're gonna put that right on the side of our shrimp in our mini loaf tins. These are just disposable loaf tins. This makes this super easy. And we're adding about a handful of asparagus. This is gonna be like an all-in-one meal for people, so you can add as much or as little asparagus as you think your family will eat. All right, now I have some lemon wedges and we're gonna grab our lemon wedges and we're gonna squeeze them right on top of the asparagus and on the shrimp. You gotta be careful of those seeds. If you can find seedless lemons, that would be better. And we are just gonna throw those in there with our shrimp because the juice will just get better as it cooks. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna do 2 wedges per tin. If you don't like as much lemon, you can do 1 per tin, but make sure you get it on that asparagus as well. All right, now I'm bringing in some white wine. Now, if you don't wanna use any wine in yours, you can use chicken broth. And we're gonna do a light drizzle of our wine, literally probably a tablespoon of wine in each loaf tin right on top. And this is gonna add some great flavor and make a delicious sauce for our shrimp and asparagus. All right, and you guys all knew this was coming. We have our minced garlic that we're gonna scoop onto our shrimp and our asparagus. You can add as much or as little as you like. I really like garlic, so I'm going heavy-handed. I'll probably use the rest of this jar because might as well use what we have. And this is gonna add some great flavor. Obviously, garlic is so great with shrimp, and I think everyone will love it. Perfect for a refreshing summer meal. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. All right, now to thicken up that sauce, we have some salted butter, and we're gonna add about 3 pads of butter right onto our tins on each one. I don't know if it's pads or pats, you guys tell me. I keep saying it wrong, and I don't know, whatever you call it, just make sure you have some butter on each of your tins. It's gonna add some delicious buttery flavor to the asparagus and of course to that delicious shrimp. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna freshly grind some pepper. And you can add as much or as little as you like. I just love a little bit of spice to our shrimp. And you can even add whatever seasoning you like to this. You can add some paprika, you can add some Old Bay, you can add some garlic powder, some onion powder, but we're gonna keep it super simple. All right, so we have our pepper on there, and then I am gonna add a little bit more salt. I know I use salted butter, but a little salt never hurt nobody, especially with seafood. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat this. Now for some garnish and some color, we have some chopped parsley. And I love these little containers because they last a good amount of time. And we're just sprinkling our parsley right on top of there. And look how beautiful these are coming together. And you have your side dish and your main protein all in one. It's gonna have some beautiful flavors. They're gonna cook evenly together, and that is the beauty of this recipe. All right, so I am gonna cover these before I put them in the oven, but my oven is set to 425, and these are gonna be in there for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my. Okay, these did take a little bit longer than we anticipated because the shrimp was frozen, but they look absolutely perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna grab this one. That asparagus looks so good, perfectly steamed, and let's look at that shrimp with that delicious butter. Oh, it looks so good. All right, time to give it a try. It's a little hot, but that is so good. Easy, delicious, healthy. You guys have to try this.